How to get copywriting clients even if you're brand new. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to become a copywriter, or you already are one but you're struggling to find clients, today's video is going to change everything. I'm breaking down the exact steps freelancers use to land clients consistently, even if they're starting from scratch. Let's get into it. Section 1. Position yourself like a pro. First things first, clients don't hire general copywriters. They hire specialists. So before you send a single message, choose a lane. Pick a niche. You don't need to marry your niche forever. Just pick one so clients know what you do. Examples: email copy for e-commerce brands, website copy for coaches, ad copy for local businesses, social media captions for real estate agents. When you specialize, clients instantly see you as more valuable. Section 2. Build a simple portfolio. No experience needed. Next, you need a portfolio. But don't panic. You don't need past clients to make one. Create 3 to 5 sample pieces for your niche. Write samples like you already have clients. If you want to work with fitness coaches, write a sample sales page, a sample email sequence, a sample Instagram caption set. Boom! You now look hireable. Section 3. Where to find clients. All right, let's talk about the part everyone cares about. Where the clients actually are. 1. Cold email. Find businesses already spending money on marketing. If they're running ads, posting consistently, or have a decent website, they're potential clients. Send 20 to 30 targeted emails per day. Keep it short. Complement something specific. Point out one opportunity. Offer a quick win. Invite them to chat. 2. LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a goldmine for copywriters. Post 3 to 4 times a week about copy tips, client results, lessons you're learning, before, after copy examples. People will start reaching out to you. 3. Facebook groups. Join groups where your niche hangs out. Don't pitch. Just answer questions, give value, and people will DM you. 4. Upwork, but do it right. Upwork works if you treat it like a long game. Apply to 5 to 10 jobs a day with personalized proposals. Once you get a few reviews, clients start coming to you. Section 4. What to say to clients. When someone shows interest, don't overcomplicate it. Ask them 3 things: what they sell, who they sell to, what they want the copy to achieve. Then give them a simple plan and a clear price. Section 5. How to stand out instantly. Here's the secret most beginners never use. Give a small sample. Rewrite a headline. Fix a paragraph. Improve an email subject line. Show them you can help. Don't just tell them. And that's how you start getting copywriting clients, even if you're brand new. If you want me to make a video on how to write a killer cold email or how to build a portfolio from scratch, drop a comment below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.